Reliable refrigeration is essential for keeping food fresh, maintaining safe temperatures, and ensuring efficient kitchen operations. Welcome to PartsMelange. In this video, we'll cover common refrigerator parts issues and how to solve them quickly to keep your appliance running at its best. Refrigerators depend on several key components working together. When one part fails, it can lead to poor cooling, higher energy consumption, water leaks, or food spoilage. Many problems can be detected and resolved promptly. Let's look at the most common refrigerator problems and their solutions. One common issue is dirty condenser coils. Dust and debris prevent proper heat release, forcing the refrigerator to work harder. Unplug the unit and clean the coils with a brush or vacuum to restore efficiency. If cooling is uneven, the evaporator fan may not be circulating cold air properly. Check for ice buildup, unusual noises, or restricted airflow, and replace the fan if necessary. A faulty thermostat can cause temperature fluctuations. Verify the temperature settings and monitor performance. If temperatures remain inconsistent, replace the thermostat. Excessive frost buildup often points to a defrost system problem. Inspect the defrost heater, timer, or control components and replace any faulty parts. Damaged door gaskets can allow cold air to escape, causing longer cooling cycles. Inspect the seal for cracks or gaps and replace it if needed. Water pooling inside the refrigerator may indicate a clogged drain line. Flush the drain with warm water and remove any blockage to restore proper drainage. Other common issues include a faulty start relay, refrigerant leaks, compressor overheating, or a malfunctioning control board. Addressing these problems early can help prevent costly repairs and maintain reliable cooling performance. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of worn components can extend refrigerator life and improve efficiency. For quality appliance replacement parts and expert support, visit PartsMelange.ca and follow us for more appliance maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.